Good morning, sir. Myself Aparna Swasto from Mirapur unit. Today I am going to tell you 10 such scientific events which we see or do in our daily lives. As you can see, when we throw the spoon from the platform, it touches the ground. It is so because it uses the gravity. If the same thing we do in the universe, it doesn't touches the ground because there is no gravity. Therefore, first event that we do in our daily life is when the spoon falls down. It touches the ground and uses the gravity. We all use the ball pen. So tell me, have you ever wondered that how ink came to the point of the pen? So the scientific reason is air pressure. We have seen that there is one hole at the end of pen. Through that hole, the pressure of air pushes the ink, and thus the ink came to the point of its pen. So, this is the scientific reason pressure. So, this is our second scientific event. Let's come to next one. We all close and open the door. So, have you ever wondered that what is the scientific reason behind this? How we are able to open and close the door? So, the scientific reason is push and pull. When we open the door, we pull the door, and when we close the door, we push the door. So, this is the scientific reason behind the opening and closing of door. Now, let's see the fourth scientific event. Now, fourth event is when we take a glass of water and pours oil in the water, then we can see that oil came at the top and water settles at the bottom of the glass of water. This happened because oil is less denser than water. So, this is fourth event. Now, let's see us the fifth scientific event. Now, our fifth scientific event is when we place water in any shape of container and then place it in the freezer, then we can see that water freezes in that shape. This is only because of freezing process. So, this is our fifth scientific event. Now, let us come to the sixth one. Now, our sixth scientific event is when we hear something, it doesn't directly falls on our ear. It firstly travels in the air, then after that we are able to listen the voice. So it happens so because of vibration, or we can also say that we are able to listen the voices through vibration process. So this is sixth scientific event. Now come to the seventh scientific event. Now our seventh event is, have you ever wondered that when we cut the onion we have tears in our eyes? Why this happens? Because when we slice onion, the onion cells releases sulfur into the air. Sulfur reacts with ice and forms small amount of sulfuric acid, and this acid leads to burning and tears. Therefore, this is the science behind why during cutting of the onion we have tears in our eyes. Now, let us come to the eighth scientific event which we see or do in our daily lives. Now, our eighth scientific event is, have you ever wondered that milk is sweet in taste and curd, which is also made up of milk, tastes sour in taste? So, why this changes happens? Let me tell you, this is because when milk is converted into curd, lactobacillus bacteria converts lactose to lactic acid. Because of this acid, it tastes sour. Now, let us see the ninth scientific event which we see in our daily life. Now, ninth scientific event is, have you ever wondered that how we are able to move a big box by pushing? This is because we applied force on that box. Thus, we are able to move a big box from one place to another. So, The force is the scientific reason for the movement of any big box. Now let us see our last scientific event, that is 10th. Let's see. Now our last and 10th scientific event is when we burn wax, it melts. So we can again make wax from the melted wax. So this is the reversible change. So the scientific reason is reversible change. The things which can be again reversed. So that is called reversible change. Now, thank you and have a nice day.